When it comes to achieving our financial goals, effective budgeting is key. Being able to manage our finances wisely can make all the difference between living paycheck to paycheck and building wealth over time. In today's video, we are going to explore the concept of budgeting like a pro. And I'm excited to share with you some valuable insights and strategies that can help you take control of your finances. One of the biggest obstacles people face when it comes to budgeting is overspending. We've all been there, right? We set out with the best intentions, but somehow we've always seemed to end up blowing our budget on impulse purchases or unexpected expenses. Lack of planning is another common challenge. Without a clear plan in place, it's easy to fall into the trap of living paycheck to paycheck with no clear direction or goals in mind. And let's not forget about those unexpected expenses that always seem to pop up, like car repairs, medical bills, and the like. They can be a real challenge to our budgeting effort. Furthermore, not having an emergency fund in place can make it difficult to absorb these unexpected expenses, leading to even more financial stress. Additionally, many people struggle with budgeting because they don't have a clear picture of their income and expenses. Without this knowledge, it is impossible to create an effective budget that works for you. Some people may also feel overwhelmed by the prospect of budgeting or may not know where to start. This lack of knowledge and understanding can make it difficult to stick to a budget, leading to frustration and discouragement. Fortunately, there are many budgeting techniques and tools available that can help us overcome these challenges. One popular method is the 50-30-20 rule, which allocates 50% of our income towards necessary expenses, 30% towards discretionary spending, and 20% towards saving and debt repayment. There are also many budgeting apps available that can help us track our income and expenses and provide valuable insight into our spending habits. These tools can be powerful for results in our budgeting journey. Another technique is the envelope system, where we divide our expenses into categories such as housing, transportation, and entertainment, and place the corresponding budgeted amount into an envelope for each category. This visual approach can help us stick to our budget and avoid overspending. One budgeting strategy that has proven successful for many people is the zero-based budgeting approach. With this method, we start from a zero balance and allocate every single dollar of our income towards a specific expense or savings goals. This approach can be incredibly effective in helping us prioritize our spending and achieve our financial goals. For example, I have applied this strategy one time in my life and myself and have seen a significant reduction in my unnecessary expenses while also increasing my savings rate. In fact, just last year, I was able to save up for a down payment on a particular phone that I have always wanted. And all thanks to zero-based budgeting approach. In today's video, we have covered some common challenges people face when it comes to budgeting, as well as some powerful techniques and tools that can help us overcome these obstacles. Remember, budgeting is not a one-size-fits-all approach. No, it's about finding a method that works for you and sticking by it. By implementing these strategies and staying committed to our financial goals, we can achieve financial freedom and live the life we've always wanted. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to share your own budgeting tips and strategies in the comment section below, and don't forget to check out my other videos showing on the screen right now, because that is the video that YouTube thinks you should watch next.